Today, we put two of the most formidable all-season SUV contenders to the test, the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 SUV and the Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV. Which one will dominate this all-season SUV showdown? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 SUV set as the reference point at 100%. Now, let's focus on wet performance. In wet braking from 100 km per hour, the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 SUV stops in 44.9 meters, 1.8 meters shorter than the Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV's 46.7 meters. For wet handling, the Goodyear averages 82.6 km per hour, 2.1 km per hour faster than Michelin's 80.5 km per hour. However, in straight aquaplaning, Michelin leads slightly with a slipping speed of 89.2 km per hour, just 0.5 km per hour faster than Goodyear's 88.7 km per hour. On snow, the Goodyear stops in 24.7 meters from 50 km per hour, while Michelin takes 25.2 meters, a difference of 0.5 meters. However, in snow traction, Michelin pulls ahead with a force of 2,943 newtons, 201 newtons more than Goodyear's 2,742 newtons. Snow handling speeds further emphasize this difference. Michelin averages 101.2 km per hour, outpacing Goodyear's 98.9 km per hour by 2.3 km per hour. In dry conditions, Michelin takes the lead in braking, stopping in 38.1 meters, which is 3 meters shorter than Goodyear's 41.1 meters. In dry handling, the two are almost tied, with Goodyear at 93.5 km per hour and Michelin just 0.1 km per hour slower at 93.4 km per hour. For noise, Michelin is slightly quieter at 72.9 decibels, 0.4 decibels less than Goodyear's 73.3 decibels. Rolling resistance shows a clear difference. Michelin has a coefficient value of 6.77, which is 0.82 lower than Goodyear coefficient value of 7.59, indicating better fuel efficiency and reduced CO2 emissions. In summary, the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 SUV excels in wet performances, while the Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV excels in snow, dry, and rolling resistance. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.